What if I told you there are AI tools out there that are completely free and most people have absolutely no idea they even exist? These tools are so powerful and so useful that once you know them, you will never go back to doing things the old way. Stay with me because number 7 is going to completely blow your mind. Welcome to AizyTips, the channel where we find the best AI tools so you don't have to. If you are a student, a creator, or just someone who wants to save time and work smarter, this video is made for you. Let's get straight into it. 10 AI tools that honestly feel illegal to know. Number 1, ChatPDF. Go to chatpdf.com. You upload any PDF file, a textbook, a report, a research paper, and you just talk to it. Ask it questions. Get instant answers. No more reading 100 pages to find one answer. Students, this one is for you. Completely free, completely legal, just insane. Number 2, Gamma. Go to gamma.app. You type one sentence and Gamma builds a full professional presentation for you. Slides, design, content, everything in under 60 seconds. No more spending 3 hours on PowerPoint. Free to use, zero design skills needed. Number 3, ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs.io. This tool turns any text into a human voice. And I mean human, not robotic at all. You type your script and it reads it out loud in the most natural voice you have ever heard. Free tier available. Used by top YouTubers worldwide, including this channel right now. Number 4, Remove BG. Go to remove.bg. You upload any photo and in literally 1 second the background is completely removed. Perfect result every single time. No Photoshop, no skills, no cost. Designers charge money for this. You just do it for free in 1 click. Number 5, Perplexity AI. Go to perplexity.ai. Think of it as Google but smarter. You ask a question and it searches the internet and gives you a full clean answer with sources. No ads, no clicking 10 links. Just the answer you need instantly. Free to use and honestly better than regular search. Number 6, Canva AI. Go to canva.com. You already know Canva for design, but the AI features inside are on another level. Generate images, write text, resize designs, remove backgrounds, all with 1 click. Free version is powerful enough for everything you need as a content creator. Number 7, Suno AI. Go to suno.com, and yes, this is the one I promised would blow your mind. Suno AI creates full songs from scratch. You type, "Make me an upbeat motivational song," and in 30 seconds you have a complete song. Vocals, music, lyrics, everything for free. Number 8, Otter AI. Go to otter.ai. This tool joins your meetings or lectures and writes down everything that is said in real time automatically. Students, never miss a single word in class again. Professionals, never take meeting notes again. Free plan available. Works on your phone. Number 9, InVideo AI. Go to InVideo.io. You type a topic and it builds a complete YouTube video for you. Script, voiceover, visuals, subtitles, all done automatically by AI. This is literally how faceless YouTube channels make videos without showing their face. Free tier available on Play Store right now. Number 10, Notion AI. Go to notion.so. Notion is already the best notes and productivity app in the world, but with AI built in it becomes something else. Write notes, summarize documents, plan your week, manage projects, all with AI helping you every step. Free plan is more than enough to get started. And there you have it. 10 AI tools that feel completely illegal to know, but are 100% free and available right now. My personal favorites from this list, ChatPDF for studying and Suno AI just because it is absolutely insane. Now I want to hear from you. Which tool surprised you the most? Comment below. I read every single one. And if this video saved you time, hit subscribe because every week we bring you the best AI tools so you stay ahead of everyone else. See you in the next one. This is AizyTips. Peace.